Dear friends, welcome to Know Thyself YouTube channel. Good morning. Hope you are all staying safe and keeping well. I sincerely thank all of you who have subscribed to this channel and follow the channel. If you find the contents of the videos uploaded in this channel useful, please subscribe to this channel and click the notification or the bell icon so that you can be notified when a video is uploaded. Kindly share the videos with others or in the internet. In the last episode of Know Your Mind segment, we spoke about communicating to your subconscious mind by avoiding fear and negative self-talk. In this episode, we continue our analysis of communicating to your subconscious mind by cultivating passion or burning desire for achieving your goal. Having removed fears and negative self-talk, you must be passionate about what you want to achieve in life because your subconscious mind will act on thoughts that are conveyed with burning desire. Desire and passion for what you want to achieve empowers your subconscious mind, and it will do anything in order to obtain the object of your desire. Besides, powered by burning desire, your subconscious mind would open all available channels to achieve your goal and the information on how to do that to your conscious mind. You know that you have a burning desire towards your goal when your goal becomes the passion of your life and you want to be successful in achieving it at all costs. When you set your subconscious mind on the task with such strong emotion, then it would allow you to see the opportunities in life which would facilitate you to attain your goal. Let us take an example to illustrate this point. A basketball player becomes the best basketball player not just because he has the talent in playing basketball, but because he has the burning desire to become a number one basketball player. That is why not all talented basketball players become the best ones. When becoming the number one basketball player grows into the dominating dream of your life, you are willing to do what it takes to achieve it. Namely, staying late after training session and practice your skills in playing the game, doing what is needed to expand your skills so as to be better than the rest, and above all, to set your subconscious mind to look for opportunities to achieve your goal. The first thing you need to do to cultivate the burning desire or passion for your goal is to define your goal with clarity. You must make your goal as specific as possible. Likewise, you must make your goal as realistic as possible. You must write it down somewhere and begin to feel it. Once you are clear about your goal, you can use the following techniques, namely the bridge burning technique, progress bar technique, and motivational technique to develop a passion or burning desire for it. Let us briefly talk about each of these techniques. First, the bridge burning technique. It consists in not taking the easiest or less troublesome means to achieve your goal, as the easiest means often do not bring the best results. Often, the narrow path or difficult means brings the best results. Hence, this technique consists in destroying the easy walk bridges and easily sail safe boats which you would like to keep just in case something goes wrong. Human mind and its three levels have evolved to help you survive in difficult times. When your subconscious mind is placed in the survival mode, it achieves the best results. Thus, by burning the easy walk bridges and easy sail safe boats, that is, easy and trouble-free means to achieve your goal, You set your subconscious mind in survival mode with a passion to achieve your goal, and it will achieve it for you. Let us take the example of you becoming the number one basketball player. In order to achieve this goal, you must destroy all practices that would make things lighter for you, such as giving yourself longer practice time, procrastinating the training, being in the good books of the coach or administration, and the like. Instead, with greater urgency, you must give yourself to do what it takes to achieve the goal, such as staying late after training session and practice your skills in the game, doing what is needed to expand your skills so as to be better than the rest. Setting your subconscious mind to look for opportunities to achieve your goal, and doing all these with a passion and burning desire to achieve the goal. Thus, the bridge burning technique puts you in the survival mode, which, when accompanied by great passion for attaining the goal, will make the subconscious mind to do all within its power to help you to become the number one basketball player. Second, progress bar or small win technique. It consists not in focusing on accomplishing your goal in its totality, but breaking up into small and attainable parts and attempting to achieve small wins and progress towards your goal step by step. This technique keeps your passion and desire for achieving a goal alive, as small wins make you feel good and help you to work harder to attain success in completing the next part of the goal in the best possible way. Besides, keeping your passion for your goal alive throughout your journey towards achieving it, this technique also helps you to assign limited tasks to be done by your subconscious mind, which it can carry out easily. Let us take the example of becoming the number one basketball player. The use of this technique in achieving your goal of becoming number one basketball player would imply that while you learn playing the game, you focus on acquiring different skills of the game in a time-bound manner, and over a period of time you acquire all the needed skills and become an expert in playing the game. Thus, small win or progress bar technique is a powerful tool to fill your life with small achievements that lead you towards your goal. Third, motivational technique. It consists of all those things that inspires, stimulates, encourages, energizes, persuades, and provokes you, thereby keep your passion and desire for achieving your goal part of your everyday journey towards your goal. It could be the positive people who encourage you, a motivational video, an energizing song, a thought-provoking speech you heard, the inspiring example of people who achieved great things, or anything like that. Besides the scenes, the motivational techniques through the above-mentioned media bombards your subconscious mind with positive thoughts about your goal and reinforces your passion for achieving it, thereby facilitates your subconscious mind to help you achieve your goal. By using the above mentioned techniques in relation to your goal to be achieved, you can keep your passion or burning desire for your goal alive, thereby help your conscious mind to communicate your subconscious mind, and together move towards helping you achieve your goal. We will continue our analysis of the communication between your conscious mind and subconscious mind in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. Stay blessed until we see you again with another video.